All right, guys. Thank you. Welcome back. So, turns out we did some experimenting. Because that's how we learn, right? We learn from what people call mistakes. We call learning opportunities. So there's no such thing as mistakes as long as you learn from them, right? So we actually did learn, and we figured, hey, what if we can take the tap water, put it into the big 5-gallon tank, and dump it into the big giant, tower
Tower tank.
vertical garden,
Yeah.
and see whether or not we could then figure out the pH balance using the base and the acid. So it took a few tries, but look, we finally got it right. That looks about where it should be, which is 5.5. It looks a little yellow. I don't know if you can see that.
Like
But
olive green.
kind of olive green looking, almost getting green. So we were all the way kind of up here at first, basically here, and we worked our way to here. So now it's just the right balance. We did also put, so it's like for every 5 gallons of water, we need to put 100 mLs of the
mineral
A.
blend.
Yep, the A and the B, so the mineral and nutrient blend. So I would say every 5 gallons, we need to put at least 100 mLs of the nutrient of each. So 100 of the, so in total we've used 300 mLs total. Hold on, that's gonna go in the tank.
Okay.
So we put
I'm
at
sorry.
least,
That's this one. I'm gonna put it in the tank.
yeah, go ahead. So we used at least 300 mLs of the A nutrient and 300 mLs of the B nutrient. And then we did use several teaspoons like this, this type of teaspoon. We used several. I kind of lost count, to be honest with you, because I had to do it over and over again. But with just kind of tweaking it here and there, kind of adjusting, making adjustments, and anyway, we were able to finally get it right, and it looks like we finally have a 5.5 pH. And this is from the actual vertical garden. So this is what we want it to look like. I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. I'm gonna leave it alone for now. We will test it every so often. This is the pH testing solution. So your basically pH is basically it's testing the amount of hydrogen in the water. So anyway, we got it right. So thank you very much for being with us on this journey. Thankfully, as you can hear, you can listen to the beautiful sound of the water trickling and dripping down. And look how bright it is. It's like, it's crazy bright in here. It's pretty cool to see the brightness, and just knowing that we're doing something for our family, and perfectly we can share it with other people. And so we did invest in learning how to do all this. This is definitely an investment. It's an investment in your health, in your mind, and in your time, because it does take a little bit of time to figure this out and adjust here and there. And anyhow, but it's well worth it. I think this is one of the coolest things we've ever been able to do so far in our life. And it's really cool when you get to see it, right? You kind of get to see that there's life springing from this vertical garden, and that we have a role, right? That we can create and help to nurture it and help to sustain it. But I just find it really awesome and fun. And we're gonna continue to add more pods. I think we still have some spaces left, so we're gonna start to do our own seedlings. So we're gonna start messing with this next. So that'll be one of the next videos. We're gonna start to figure out how many of this. This is called, I think, rock wool is what they call it. So we're just gonna use just enough. So thankfully we have some here. We have more in the pack that comes with it, and we do have some seeds. So we're gonna figure out how many seeds go in each one. We're gonna do a whole thing. So we're just gonna continue this journey and keep documenting it for those of you who want to go with us along this journey. It'll be fun, and then we'll share it, and then we'll see what it looks like in a few weeks. And I'm just looking forward to being able to eat it. So eating the fruits of our labor, I think, is one of the most enjoyable parts. I'm looking forward to our children being part of this, and I think they'll be more excited when they see strawberries. Who doesn't like strawberries, right? For the most part. And I think children definitely get really captivated by that. And perhaps maybe later we can do like a cantaloupe or a watermelon. I think that'd be pretty cool. I'm looking forward to the cucumbers because I'm Mexican, so it's just one of those things that we really enjoy.
With tahini.
Oh yeah, with tahini. If you guys don't know what tahini is, you're missing out. but yeah, definitely really cool. We're looking forward to it. Looking forward to sharing what we learned. And yeah, so thank you for watching. And remember, design a life worth living. That's what it's all about. So remember that. Design a life worth living. And we are the designers. We are the creators of life. We get to choose the life we want to live. So design a life worth living. We'll see you later. Thanks for watching.